Hello guys! This is a must-try na 2-in-1 recipe called Lumpia Nanda. Alam ko you will love this. Let's get started! Magsaute ng onion and garlic. Isiso natin ng konting salt. Kapag fragrant na, ilagay na ang naka-pre-cook na ground pork. Lutuin ng few seconds only. Ilagay ang carrots, kamote, patatas, siso ng salt and pepper, and oyster sauce. Mix very well and cover until veggies are cooked. And ilagay ang green beans and cook for another few seconds and let it cool. Kapag slightly cool na ang mixture, babalutin na natin sa lumpia wrapper and kailangan din natin ng boiled eggs at slurry na pang-seal. Depende sa inyo gaano kadami ang filling na ilalagay as long as na kayang isara ang wrapper. Huwag kalimutan ang boiled egg and i-roll na natin and seal. Continue lang ang process sa natitira pang mixture. Sa sauce naman, gagamit tayo ng tubig, brown sugar, soy sauce, and chopped garlic. Stir hanggang matunaw ang sugar and let it boil. When it's boiling, i-add ang slurry until thickens ng ganito. Magpainit na ng mantika, yung tamang init lang para hindi masunog ang lumpia nanda, and iprito natin until golden brown and maglagay ng paper towel to absorb ang excess oil. I-cool down ng konti or yung kaya mo na ang init before cutting and enjoy this amazing 2-in-1 na ulam or pang merienda and lagyan ng generous amount ng sauce at kainan na!